Hello out there, wherever you are. As for me, I have traversed to the Philadelphia area. I'm heading to a show at Parx Casino, the largest casino in Pennsylvania this evening. So I did a little stop, I did a little nice check-in. It's the windiest day maybe ever. I'm at the Spark by Hilton Bensalem. Never stayed at a Spark before, so I'm going to check it out, see what it's all about, see how the room is, and let you know my thoughts on it. So let's step inside, because it's windy as hell. The Spark by Hilton, Bensalem, Pennsylvania, and Tom was here.
Hey everybody, Brandon Wayne. I just wanted to shout out, remind you, everybody needs to start watching Tom Was Here, because this is the way.
All right, we in the Spark, room 126. And here it is. I mean, not much to it. We did come in and drop our luggage off, but welcome, Tom. I've only been welcomed at the Cosmopolitan, Las Vegas. It's the only other place I've been welcomed by the TV. Fantastic view of the pool and area out here. First floor room. There's only 2 floors on it. There's a couch. A desk area. TV's nice, modern-ish. Got a little charging station there. Charging stations here. Is there one on the other side? There's not. Gonna do a quick bed test. Oh. A little firmish. Maybe a little more firm than most other beds that I've stayed in other places. But not bad. Not too bad. I'll let you know how it feels after, the evening of sleep. I have a whole itinerary of things to do, so I'm sure I'll just be wrecked and just crash right out. So, as long as it doesn't affect my night's sleep, I'm sure it'll be just fine. There's like a, hanging stuff. It's the bathroom. Big mirror. Shower looks nice. Not bad. Various trees and such. But yeah, no frills. Straightforward room, I suppose. There's a fridge here. You put stuff in there already. Microwave. It's a nice sized TV. It looks like it actually has smart TV capabilities. I see Netflix on there. That's good. You don't get that stuff everywhere. And yeah, that's it. Not much to it. Not much to it at all. Pretty straightforward room. Okay, it's the next morning. It is checkout day. I have a long drive back to Pittsburgh, but did want to speak about my experience at the Spark by Hilton Bensalem. So a couple things on this. One, if you are going to the Parx Casino, the largest casino in Pennsylvania, this hotel is within 0.7 tenths of a mile away. It is right, you hit one, there's one stoplight and then you're right there. It's so close. So a couple of things that Spark has going for it besides location. One is, never stayed at a Spark before, and I can say I've stayed in a lot of hotel rooms, and this one, there's no frills about it, but also there's no paint chips, there's no stains on the carpet, there's no anything that, it's a nice room. It's a nice room. The other thing is that they have breakfast in the morning. We, of course, missed that. But then the checkout time, the standard checkout time is noon, which is very nice. Most times it's 11 a.m., sometimes in some places 10 a.m. But noon checkout's pretty good as far as, just standard options. The other thing, as far as like a perk for this, is that it has a TV that does have streaming. Not every hotel has this. As someone who does a lot of, YouTube stuff, a lot of watches a lot of streaming services, it is nice to have a hotel that has those standards. The other cool thing is that when you sign into those various streaming services, a little note pops up that when you check out, it will immediately sign you out, which is additional peace of mind there, because I'm sure I'm not the only one. Almost everybody, whenever they stay somewhere and they sign into a service, very rarely did they think to sign out of it, and then somebody's watching all types of stuff on your account. So they at least do sign it out. Now, a couple things that were a bit first, when we came here and they have a fridge, and we went to use the fridge, and it didn't feel really cold. I was a little bit concerned as far as is the fridge actually working? And we thought maybe we got a dud fridge. That's not necessarily a knock on Spark. Sometimes they don't know what every fridge and everything's working everywhere. What I can say is, having checked it this morning, the fridge does work, and it works quite well. It was something where we came into the room, we put our drinks in there, I went to the casino for a concert, we then gambled, we then came in very late, and it didn't feel particularly cold. But with a whole night of it, it does feel a lot colder now. So the fridge does work, albeit a bit slow. The other thing is that the bed is not going to win any awards as far as comfortability. It is your standard, probably firmish bed. Now, if you like a firmish bed, it's probably the right bed for you. Now, did it affect me? Did it affect me if someone that woke up at 9 a.m. in the Pittsburgh area, drove all the way to the Philadelphia area, which is 4.5 hours, including traffic, including stops, so you're talking about 5 or 6, immediately dropped my stuff off, immediately went to a concert at Parx Casino and stayed at the casino and came back in at 12:30 that night? No, I bricked right out. It was just fine for me. But the pillows, the bed, not the most comfortable thing I've had in any hotel everywhere. I can tell you that much. It's fine for what it is. It's not like, ooh, this is so great. But beyond that, a nice stay. The bathroom's nice. The shower pressure, pretty good. I've had better, I've had worse. You could do a lot worse staying at Spark by Hilton, and this is the Bensalem version. Like I said, if you're going to Parx, this is not a bad place at all to stay. I think it's, pretty good for what it is. I think, you get a nice room. It's not overly, there's not, you don't really hear any sounds from the other rooms. Now, what you do hear is, has a very long hallway. It's basically a connected series of kind of hallways, because it's only a 2-story hotel. And so there were loud children this morning kind of running around the hallways. You could hear that, no problem. That is not Spark's fault. I don't think there's anything really to be done about that. There's really nothing that can be done about that. It's unfortunate, that it's, they don't have truly soundproof doors. But I mean, what hotel does? Very rarely do you not hear people running around outside. And I've stayed in Vegas hotels. I've stayed in, higher end hotels. You're not going to completely isolate yourself from hearing any sounds whatsoever. So the fact is, it's just an unfortunate nature that there was just children running around in the morning. Like I said, that doesn't affect, Spark or anything like that. So as far as I know, this hotel had a stay of, so this hotel had a rating of 9 out of 10 on either TripAdvisor or something like that. And I think that's pretty good. It does everything you want it to do, and is a nice stay. But that'll do it for the Spark by Hilton, Bensalem, Pennsylvania. Guys, thanks so much for watching. If you are new here, make sure to like, share, subscribe. If you'd like to support me on Patreon like John Bailey, like Brett Persing, like Fayen, you can do so. Link is in the description below. If you'd like to buy a t-shirt, a Tom Was Here t-shirt, you can do so at Spreadshirt, as well as links to my eBay store, Facebook page, Instagram, TikTok, whatnot, Arena Club. The links are in the description below. But when it comes to the Spark by Hilton, Bensalem, Pennsylvania, I can officially say that my name is Tom and I was here. Thanks for watching, like, and subscribe. Bye, everyone.